Hi, this is to show how to use the speak screen feature on an iPad to read online content. So what I want to do is to go into settings, and under general accessibility I'm looking for speech, which is under the vision category that you land on first. If I open up speech, I have a option to turn on speak screen, and I also have a highlight content option. So I've turned on speak screen. Under highlight content, you have some options to highlight words or sentences, or words and sentences, and then you have some visual options as far as underline and colors. So now the book that we need to read online, or the content we're going for, is on the web page American Yawp, a history textbook. So if I choose the chapter we're on, the American Revolution, I get the text opens up, and I'm going to use the reader feature, which is the icon in the address bar with the little lines, horizontal lines, and that's going to automatically go to my last used settings. There are visual settings in the right side of the address bar where you can choose a font size, visual settings like white on black text, white text on black background, or some other fonts. So now when I do speak screen, I can read along and listen. So to turn on speak screen, it's 2 fingers, swipe down from off the screen onto the screen. So basically you're on the border of the iPad, and then you pull down onto the screen. And it's loading right now. I'm going to get a little controller that pops up, and it'll start.
5. The American Revolution. Paul Revere. Landing of the Troops. C. 1770. Courtesy. American Antiquarian Society. Attribution non.
So right now it's reading the image description, details of an image on the page, and I have options on my controller. It automatically minimizes after a moment. So I have a minimize button, slower, a back button, play, faster, or I'm sorry, that's play, then a forward button that jumps forward, faster, speech rate, and to close, turn off the controller. So if we play again.
4.0 International. CC by NCSA 4.0. The American Yawp is an evolving, collaborative text. Please click here to improve this chapter. Introduction. In the 1760s, Benjamin Rush, a native of Philadelphia, recounted.
So I'm going to pause that. I can go a little bit slower if I like.
The visit to Parliament. Upon seeing the King's throne in the House of Lords, Rush said he felt as if he...
And it's highlighting the words as it's reading. Remember that listening to text-to-speech is a skill that's learned like everything else, and it gets much easier. And if you haven't done it before, keep working with it, because pretty soon you'll be getting able to read a lot faster, and you can bump up the speed.
Walked on sacred ground with emotions that I cannot describe. 1. Throughout the 18th century, colonists had developed significant emotion.
Okay.